Bad credit score? It's just a number. It doesn't define you. Don't let your credit score prevent you from investing in real estate. Don't wait until your credit score is better to start. Because the good news is, there is much more flexibility when it comes to real estate investing. Is it easier to get a traditional loan when your credit score is off the charts? Absolutely. But even if your score is on the low side, you still have a host of other options for investing in real estate. If you are serious about real estate investing, the first thing to learn is that there are unlimited ways to fund any deal. So have no fear. Here are 10 ways to invest in real estate with no money and bad credit. Number 1. Get a hard money loan. Getting a loan from a hard money lender is a great option for real estate investors with less than stellar credit. Despite its name, hard money isn't hard to come by, it's everywhere. Hard money lenders are private individuals or groups who offer short-term loans that are backed by real estate. These lenders are only interested in investment deals. They aren't funding someone who wants to buy a house to live in. The best part is that hard money loans can give you funds very quickly, often within days. That's why so many real estate investors use this source. They're quick, painless, and easy to turn around. Hard money lenders don't consider credit scores as the be-all, end-all. They can determine who they lend to and what those loans look like. If your credit score is good, great. Number 2, look for private money lenders. Another funding source to consider is private money lenders. Private money can come from anyone looking for a return on their investment. Even if your credit score isn't great, private money lenders can still lend to you, often with competitive terms. The quality and value of your deal are much more important to a private money lender than your credit score. Private money lenders don't abide by a certain set of rules. So, repayment terms, interest, and everything else is up for negotiation. Number 3, get a partner. There are many people interested in real estate investing, and would happily use their credit to fund deals, provided they don't have to tackle the other heavy lifting. So why not strike up a partnership with someone like that? Someone who has A+ credit. In exchange, you'll be able to lock down more funding for your deals. Your partner could be anyone, a friend, relative, colleague, neighbor, or someone you met from a local networking event or Facebook group. Just remember, you want to partner with someone who has the skills and resources you lack, and vice versa. Number 4, make the seller the bank, seller financing. Seller financing is a strategy best utilized for properties that are fully owned and paid off. If a seller doesn't need quick cash from the sale of their home and cash flow isn't the issue, then this strategy could be a great option. When the seller finances a deal, they basically become the bank. In other words, you essentially have a mortgage with the seller. With these agreements, the seller allows you to make monthly payments until you pay off the property, or the term of the loan ends. Seller financing deals can be a win-win for everyone. The seller dictates the terms, and many won't ask to see your credit score or dig into your finances too deeply. 5. Consider wholesaling. Wholesaling is a common first step for new real estate investors. This approach doesn't require you to fund anything, so your credit score often makes zero difference. Instead of buying the home yourself, you find another buyer to take your place. This could be another investor who wants to fix up the home, or a landlord who wants a rental. That buyer will assume all the terms you've outlined in your purchase agreement, and they'll close the deal. They take ownership of the home, the seller gets the amount you both agreed to, and you get an assignment fee for facilitating the deal. A few of those deals could help you rebuild your credit and generate serious capital in the process. Number 6, option to buy, lease option. A rent-to-own lease is a great opportunity if you're trying to figure out how to invest in real estate with no money. It is also a viable option for property owners who are thinking about selling, but are not in a rush to do so. In this strategy, the landlord is interested in selling, but not at the moment. The tenant agrees to pay their rent as well as an extra amount every month, which is allocated towards a down payment. At the end of the lease, the landlord has a guaranteed sale. Number 7, house hacking. House hacking is the practice of using a primary residence to generate income, to offset the cost of that residence's monthly mortgage. This could be renting out an extra bedroom, a studio, or housing. Even if you have no money and bad credit, you can purchase a house, and use the income you receive from house hacking to pay off its mortgage. In some cases, you can live rent-free. Number 8. REITs. For those interested in buying an investment property without a huge cash investment, and for those who don't want to be a landlord, REITs offer the perfect solution. A REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, is an investment in which at least 100 shareholders co-own a group of properties, or other real estate-related assets. REITs require a low time commitment and allow you to diversify your portfolio, and minimize the risk, with a minimal entry barrier. Number 9. BRRRR. The BRRRR strategy follows 5 specific steps: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Using this strategy, you can use hard money loans or private money loans to secure your first property. The key point is that you can refinance the property, and use that money to secure a second property, and so forth. It's another way to invest in real estate with bad credit and no money. Number 10. Government loans. Many loans, including the FHA loan, USDA loan, or the VA loans, sometimes offer low credit score requirements, low down payments, and the property can then be used as investment property. While most people use these loans to purchase a single-family home, they can also be used to finance 2 to 4 units multifamily properties. However, keep in mind that you will need to use the property as your primary residence for a time, and deal with living next door to your tenants. One of the best things about real estate investing is that it's open to everyone. You don't have to have millions in the bank or a good credit score. You need passion, perseverance, and desire. If you can package that, there's no ceiling to your success. Get creative, make connections, and focus on finding the funding to close deals without good credit.